Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add any apps to desktop on Windows 11. First, add desktop icons to Windows Desktop. Right-click Desktop, click Personalize. Click Themes. Select all desktop icons. If you want to add any apps in Windows Desktop, right-click App, click Open Location. Right App Shortcut, click Show More Options. Click Send to Desktop Create Shortcut. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.